how to search the ITS System Cost database in 4 easy steps. You can start by navigating to the ITS Deployment Evaluation website. You can access the cost data portion of the website by selecting the cost data icon. Once on the cost data homepage, you can click on the system cost link to take you to the most recent system cost entries. You can also select any of the 12 cost topic icons to browse. In this example, we are selecting parking management. Clicking on that cost topic will take you to a page where you can explore entries on the topic selected. Once you've selected a system cost entry, you should see something like this. System costs cover the cost for an entire ITS system. Each system cost entry details the system installed, including capital costs and installation costs, when provided. On the right side, you can find a link to the original cost source, as well as additional information on the entry. Still interested in learning more? Check out our cost element ranges and sample unit cost tutorials. Thanks for visiting, and we hope you enjoy exploring the ITS Deployment Evaluation website.